Hi everyone, my name's Curtis and I'm coming to you from Guys Craft 2. I'm a little nervous, it's my first video solo, so I normally don't do these. I know John is the seasoned pro with them, but we're going to get through this together and it'll be a great experience. I'm here to talk with you guys tonight about something special that I do for our business. I started this when we started our wreath business a few years ago, and we developed the WreathWorks AZ part of the business. I got the idea to start a part of the business that's called Curated by Curtis. Now, what that is they are thoughtfully handpicked items to help you make a wreath or to even do a quilt, because I'm going to be putting together some quilting materials as well too for you guys, but that's going to be down the road. So one of the things that I am very good at is color and design and texture and patterns. I'm really good with my eye, and my creativity kind of goes in that kind of area. John does all of the piecing and quilting together by himself, but together what we usually do is we will pick our fabric and we both have equal input on it, and I'm usually the more visionary. I see where things will work and where things will go to make the most sense to make the piece as beautiful as possible. So with that being said, I'm going to go over with you a couple of wreath kits that I'm going to be putting together and putting on our WreathWorks AZ Etsy page that you can purchase at any time. And I'm going to show everything to you now. Each wreath kit is going to come with a wreath form. It's going to look like this. It's designed to make a 15-inch to 24-inch wreath. So it'll be a nice, substantial wreath for you to hang either in your house, on your door, or to give as a gift to somebody. Every wreath kit also comes with a sign. This one's a cute little Thanksgiving sign with a gobble. You can see it's the nice colors of fall. There's a little turkey right there. There's a pilgrim hat on the E. And you can put it in the center, above, below, above, anywhere that you think that it's going to work on your wreath. I also include 2 rolls of deco mesh. This kit will come with the brown, and with the two-tone brown, you can see there's jute in it as well. And there's the dark brown. This is like a cranberry color as well. I think they'll look really nice against the sign. As you can see, it'll look a little bit like that. And then, of course, it'll be fluffed out as you make your wreath as well. Each kit also comes with a spool of ribbon. This one I picked, you can see it's real glittery and fun. It has a lot of the same colors in it that will match the sign. As you can see, there's the dark purple hues, there's some brown, there's some copper, so it'll be a nice kind of elemental piece to go as a part of your wreath as well. I also like to include embellishments as well too. This one specifically, you're going to get some fall leaves. As you can see, they're all a bunch of different colors, so you can just kind of play around with the ones that you like and will want, and you can place them wherever you feel they're going to be the best on your wreath. And you can use all of these. You can use just a few of them, whatever, but they will be included in your kit for you. So that is a nice Thanksgiving wreath that you can hang up. Thanksgiving's an interesting holiday. I told John one year that I think we needed to do a Thanksgiving wreath because a lot of people really don't think to hang a wreath for Thanksgiving, but it really gives your home a nice touch, especially if you're entertaining and having guests. And as a result, we made a few Thanksgiving wreaths and they sold. So we were really happy about that as well. So now I'm going to move on to Christmas. And again, in the wreath kit, you're going to get this wire wreath form as well. It's the 15 by 24 inch wreath form. You're going to get this really cute Merry Christmas sign. You can see it has the barn on it. It's very glittery and very fun. I paired it with a really nice plaid. You can see it's a red, green, and white plaid deco mesh. And then also I have this white to kind of go with it as well too. I know there's a lot of white already in the sign with all the snow and the backdrop and everything. So I mean, that's going to be more of your focal color, which is why I selected this color, because it'll help bring out the green in it as well for you too. This wreath kit also gets some matching ribbon as well. As you can see, it has the barn on it that matches the sign, and it has the same Merry Christmas in the same font, so you're getting a nice complimentary matching piece with it as well. You're also getting this cute rustic jingle bell. I guess these would be like more kind of like a poinsettia, and you can see that they have kind of a rustic bell on it as well too, to kind of keep with that rustic Christmas barn theme as well. And I also threw in a couple of cute little cardinals as well too. They do have little clips on the bottom, as you can see here. They just like that. You can just attach them right onto the deco mesh if you want. You'll be able to attach them your way onto the sign to kind of give it a little bit of creativity. See, you could put one there as if he's watching out, or sit it down here just for a little bit of whimsy and fun. So that's the nice thing about the wreath kits, is I put everything together for you. I supply everything together for you, and you get to have fun with it. You get to put it together how you like it and how it will best affect you and your home and your guests and everything else. So that's about it. Like I said, I'm going to be putting these together, and they will be on our Etsy page, on the WreathWorks AZ page. I am going to be putting together some other quilting items as well too, some quilt kits, and I'll talk to you guys about those when I'm ready to roll those out. Again, my little section of the company is called Curated by Curtis. You won't be able to find it on the Etsy page because it's just kind of mixed in with all of the other items. But just keep that in mind as you're shopping, and we hope to see you soon. If you really enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to us. We always love to have as many people with us as we possibly can. And I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Thanks, everyone.